That bird is driving me crazy. Sure enough, it had to start singing the second I turned the camera on. Hey everybody, welcome to YEA-FRAME. My name's Pete. I'm here to help you build unique A-frames that others will envy. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I just spent 3 fabulous weeks in Thailand, and now I'm back to work. Once I got back, I ended up burning some stumps and some yard debris I had around here, and borrowed a laser level, nice Bosch laser level. Shout out, thank you Dan, came in really handy. Like I say, shed's done, land's all cleared and leveled, batter boards are level, water supply's in, waistline's what I'm working on now. Once the waistline's done, we'll see, try to get the plumbing inspected. Okay, you can see the end of the pipe right there. I pushed through into the grinder pump tank. The grinder pump's down there, some float switches, and I got a level on top of that just to make sure it's level. You see the first 20-foot section there. So this here goes right onto that, and then it attaches here to the hose, but we're gonna let that dry a little. Just like I said, I wanted to make sure it was all level to start out. There's that, the Y, the long sweep 90 there. Y with a long sweep for a camper to discharge into. A lot of you ain't gonna have that. It'll just be a straight pipe into whatever system you have. And then you come over here. That fitting there. That's the first 20 feet. Then I go about 5 more. And here I got a, as you can see, it's a clean out, 2-way clean out. I just put a pipe into it, longer than I'm gonna need, taller than I'm gonna need. The foundation string is right here. So the center of this is about 20 or so inches away from the foundation. After it's graded, I will cut this pipe down and put the fitting and the plug in, a flush plug so the lawnmower won't hit it. But like I say, for now, I just made it extra tall, so put a test plug into it, into the top of it right for now, because I'm gonna have to test it with water in it for the inspector. So now we're gonna carry on from here into actually under the slab. Well, quick update. Laying down, gluing some pipes, cutting pipes, trying to keep it all level or canted how I have to. I had to cut this line here because I have refigured how I'm going to run some of this plumbing. By the way, I'm in Florida. Florida is based on the International Plumbing Code. I had previously learned the Uniform Plumbing Code, so there are differences. One of the main differences, or one of the differences, is your stack. Uniform Plumbing Code, you got to go up with a stack the same size as your drain line. I'm using 3-inch drain line, so you would have to go right up with a 3-inch vent through the roof. International Florida Plumbing Code doesn't require the same. It just, but you got to have proper venting. But you could throw some 2-inch ones through the roof instead if you prefer, which is better for, you don't have that's one less wall. That's a 2x6 wall, so you could put the 2 inches into a 2x4 wall, which I plan on doing. A couple inches makes all the difference. At least that's what she said. By the way, as a homeowner builder, I'm able to do my own plumbing. So, depends where you are, I guess. Some places might not let you. And any of my plumbing advice is just an opinion. I'm not a licensed plumber in any state. I've done my own plumbing, and in my opinion, it's better than most licensed plumbers. And again, we'll see what the inspector has to say. That's sealed up. That's where the RV hookup goes. Two-way clean out. Up to here. Goes off over there for the second floor bath. Goes up there for the master bathroom lavatory, the sink. And again, it comes this way. Laundry, washing machine, shower, master bath shower, vent, toilet riser. It's a 4x3 closet bin down there, so I can put the concrete right around that. And going up on the way, as this 45's off of here, over to the kitchen sink. Actually, I'm gonna fill it up with water, which that's 5 foot. It's going to be a 5-foot head of water, and from there all the others should fill up, and we'll check. That's what it's all about. So they're coming tomorrow, so might as well fill it up now, and any last minute things, maybe I can take care of it. Guess who just got his first inspection? Yes, that would be me. Green sticker. Nice. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna see some water here. Boy, looks like somebody's been eating some corn lately. Stay tuned. Things are gonna start happening. More and more. Tonight, guess who's taking your wife out for dinner? Yeah, that would be me. Listen, GQ, get your hands off my wife before I go over there and kick your ass, okay? I'll let you know how I made out. Wait until I see you. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. Alright, now you listen to me. How's this sound? Why don't you just get back to doing the labor, doing my labor that you're not getting paid to do, and keep your mouth closed. I'm serious. I'm pissed. Don't you got some trenches to go dig? No, I don't want to keep digging around the dirt for you while you hang out there with my wife. Why am I the one getting dirty while you're enjoying all the benefits?